Alright guys, so as I said in the previous video, I regretfully sold my silver Supra, and in a very sad moment of searching for a replacement, I bought something that I didn't think I would be buying, but I've always kind of wanted one. I've been curious about these cars for a long time. It's here now. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake. I do like these cars. Either way, it was a good car. It looked really clean. Hopefully it is. Do a couple mods to it. If I don't love it, we'll sell it. No big deal. But let's check out what it is. My first Nissan Skyline R34 GTR. Silver. I got a couple parts already waiting for it, and you know, I've tinkered with these, but I've never owned one, so excited to see what it's all about. And maybe this will be another platform that we'll get into at the shop. But yeah, let's check this thing out and see what we got. Silver, of course. You guys know I love silver cars, which I get a lot of hate about that. People either seem to like love silver or hate silver. That's right, there you go. Good looking car. Alright, we'll get this thing unloaded back to the shop, and we'll catch you guys there. We'll get some more video and go over the plans. But yeah, first right-hand drive car I think I've ever owned. Probably the only right-hand drive car I really want to own. I'm not a fan of right-hand drive, but this car, obviously I don't have much of a choice. But man, it looks really good. It looks really good. It sounds really good. Relatively low mileage. I love the color. I got some badass Volt wheels for it. HKS exhaust and a couple other things. So yeah, we'll get this thing back to induction, get it unloaded, and show you some more of it. So I met the transporter down the street, picked this thing up. It actually runs really good. It drives really nice too. It's really clean interior. Just kind of a cool car. I will say, stock for stock, it's definitely more impressive than a stock Supra. I feel like it runs more boost, and it feels like it makes a little bit more power than a stock Supra. But cool car. I don't think I told anyone at the shop that I was even going to pick this up or that I bought it. Maybe I told Denny. We'll see how they react. They're about to pull a car out and I'm gonna pull in. R34 and a sea of Supras. Let's see if anybody notices. Denny, what do you think?
I'd like to plead the fifth here, bud.
It's not a Supra. It actually runs really good and drives really nice.
The color's nice. I like that it's not, you know, it's not your bright silver. It's a little darker.
I like it. It drives really good. I think stock, compared to like a stock Supra, I think it makes a bit more horsepower. At least it feels that way. Yeah, here it is. Something new, something different. I do like the color. It's like a little, I don't know, it's different obviously than like my normal silver, but I like it. And apparently it's a rare color. George, what do you think? Yeah. You want to set up? George buys wheels off of every car that I buy. George, you want a set of wheels?
Everything I buy.
Okay, you let me know. All right, well, we'll put this thing on a lift. We'll get that thing on a lift. I got a bunch of parts already here for it. I'll show you guys all of that, and we'll start tinkering with it. See, maybe this is the beginning of something new, or maybe it's short-lived. Maybe it gets sold pretty quickly. It is a really nice car, and I do have a habit of selling all my nice cars. But let's see. We'll follow up with you guys shortly with a bunch of updates and parts, and see if we can make this thing as nice as I want it to be. All right, guys, so busy day. It's Monday now. We just got the Skyline on Friday, so unboxed some wheels. My first set of these wheels. They're pretty popular brand, but I've never had a set of Rays or Volks, so we got a set of Volks on it. I've been in the office all day today, so I haven't been able to do much. Sold 2 cars and just been nonstop, but already making some progress with this thing. I really like it. We changed the yellow lights out for the Nismo smoked lights. We did a HKS exhaust and we did the Volk wheels. Really like this car so far. Really impressed with how clean it is. Put it on a lift and all the normal spots that would have rust and stuff don't. It's like immaculate. And I think that at some point somebody put like a brand new engine in this thing. Either that or it's just that clean that it's like, it like has all the gold plating on everything still, and it's super clean. So I'll show you guys the wheels. Hopefully you like it. I like it. Let's see what you think. So got the smoked Nismo lights on the front and on the side, and Volk CE28s. Put Toyo tires, R88s all the way around. Got to adjust the ride height a little bit, but so far it's looking pretty good. Got the HKS exhaust, and man, this thing is just badass. It's super freaking clean. Like, I like it. I don't know if I'm quite a Nissan guy, or if I'm gonna be an R34 guy, or if I'm gonna list this one for sale, but I really like what it's turned into with just a couple small mods. These wheels are sick. All my years of having these Supras and JDM cars, my first set of Rays. Never had a set of Volks before. But yeah, so things looking sharp, looking good. So let me know what you guys think of it. If you like it, or if you think it's silly and I should just stick to being a Supra guy. I also sold the black Lexus that we had and picked up this one. This one's just a little cleaner on the exterior. Also has black interior. So we'll do a mild build on this one. I was getting ready to start working on the black one and then found this one, so did that. We got a bunch of stuff going on in the shop. Cool NAT build from my boy John. John does the Cars and Coffee Palm Beach. We just dynoed this thing, NAT. So original NA engine, we did a twin turbo head gasket, got rid of the distributor, single turbo kit, GTE, 2JZ GTE intake manifold, our coil kit, Haltech ECU. It's got some really nice BC forged wheels. So we'll get this thing cleaned up. We gotta do a coolant overflow, clean it all up, and get it ready for pickup for them. And that's it. Finally got axle and drive shaft for Pop's car, so getting that thing back together. And this is our barn find Supra. It's come a long way. Not gonna paint this one just because kind of want to just offer this car at a really reasonable price. These Supras have gotten so far out of hand with pricing that this one will probably be the cheapest 6-speed turbo Supra on the market. So not gonna paint it. Just fix a bunch of stuff, put a new front lip, put new headlights, put different wheels, refinish the calipers, catch can, a couple things still out of powder coat of the valve covers, just a bunch of cleanup work. Did the Powerhouse ABS delete kit. But a lot of time just cleaning this thing up, and it's come along really nicely. So still got to detail it and do a bunch of other little stuff, but here she is. Compression test was good, engine was good. We did a black carpet, it had a tan carpet. Like I said, still needs quite a bit of detailing, but badass car. And I think this will be the cheapest 6-speed turbo Supra, especially one with a built engine and a single turbo on the market. So that's what's going on here. We're going to Virginia this weekend to race Goldie. We're going to Indy next week to race the Indy 800. Really excited about that. And yeah, that's it, man. Just wrenching away. Just finished up a build on this Baltic Blue Supra. It's pretty badass. Working on mapping out sound system and audio stuff for Dan's black Supra. We'll have to do a full video update on this car here pretty soon. But yeah, guys, we're working. So if you're out at Virginia Motorsports Park this weekend for the Nopi Nationals, I'll be out there driving Goldie. Make sure you come by and say what's up. If not, hopefully I'll see you at the Indy 800. And yeah, we got a lot going on. Pro Mod Motor is getting refreshed at Proline. We got Shakedown end of next month. Cannot wait to get back in the seat of that car. That is my favorite car to race on the planet. So a lot of cool stuff going on. Went to the doctor this morning. They gave me a clean bill of health on my nose. It still hurts like crazy, but that's all good now. So yeah, man, hopefully a bunch more videos coming for you guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.